It's Pat A. Bear, and I live in Waller, Texas. I've been asked to describe a memorable act of generosity that has happened to me. And it happened several months ago. I had gone out to pick up my mail, and as I turned around to come back in, I noticed a car coming down the street, but I knew I had plenty of time. Well, those of you who know me, I stumble around sometimes, and I fell down right on the driveway, just smashed my face. And this guy in this car came up. He got there quickly, and he just said, "Don't get up, don't do anything. Do you need an ambulance? Can I call an ambulance?" I said, "Yes." And he ran in the house to tell my husband that I was out there falling down. And that man stayed with me until the ambulance arrived. And I noticed I wasn't paying too much attention to a lot of things, but he stayed there and he watched me the whole time to observe if I was going to black out or, do something weird. And I really appreciate that. That man had no idea how much that meant to us. And a cold norther had just blown in for us here in Texas. My husband gave him a jacket, and he just sat there on the ground watching me and to take care of us until the ambulance arrived. Another act of generosity that I've been involved with, my husband and I, is we are involved with a ministry in Kenya that one of our members and his family, Mike and Sylvia Eden, have started orphanages there. And it's not a whole lot that we do, but each month we donate so much money for a child's upkeep. And that just means so much to us as we pay our checks for, my little girl is named Eunice. She has a big smile, and you just become very attached to these children and feel like you really know them. So we do fundraisers and things so that at Christmas they can have gifts, etc., etc. But I think, to me, that's an act of generosity that I can give to. And there's plenty other memories I'm sure I could think of. I've been here a while.